Hey guys, I'm from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our brilliant sporty blue HRV. Of course, this car is a 1.5 petrol, and with this being the SE trim, does come with these 17-inch alloys. Of course, every single alloy is in perfect condition because this car did come from Honda UK. So this vehicle was used as a lease vehicle, meaning that it has been kept very, very well looked after. But just in case, I will go around into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in case I have missed something. Of course, moving around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see we do have your reverse camera just up there. We also have rear parking sensors as well, and of course this car does come with floor mats. The seats fold 60-40 split and do fold flat. We've got a 12-volt power outlet just here. And of course you can lift the boot floor up and there is a floor well, so you can have higher items in the rear of this vehicle. Of course, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the rear of the vehicle now, you can see we do have your cloth black seats with Isofix mounting points, and the main feature in this car, of course, is the magic seats. These do lift up on both sides, just so you can get maybe taller items in the rear of the vehicle without any hassle. We also have electric and automatic rear windows. Of course, moving into the front now, you can see we have the controls for all 4 windows, the central locking and window lock, electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, and of course in the central of the cockpit we do have your brake hold and electric handbrake, the 6-speed manual gearbox, stop start, and of course dual climate control. We've also got your touchscreen display up here, which has satellite navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course all of your audio sources just there. Of course, all that is controlled via the left hand side of the steering wheel. Your Bluetooth hands-free is controlled here. Your onboard computer is controlled here, and of course your speed limiter with cruise control is controlled via here. We've got automatic headlights in this car, along with automatic windscreen wipers, and of course with this being a lease vehicle, it has only covered 4,512 miles. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy. Of course, this car does come with LED daytime running lights, as you can see just here. And of course, if you require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.